to Tech Hub Academy. Today we're learning about network devices, the tools that allow computers communicate to each other. Network devices connect computers, phones, or tablets and allow them to share information, files, and the internet. Let's dive in. What are network devices? Network devices are the hardware and software components that connect computers and other electronic devices to a network, allowing them to communicate and share data. Or you can say, network devices are the hardware and software components that connect devices to a network. These devices help form a network. Without them, devices would work alone and could not share files or connect online. Hardware devices include routers, switches, and hubs. Software devices include things like firewalls or network management tools. Network devices are like messengers that carry information from one device to another safely and correctly. Types of network devices. There are many types of network devices, and some of them include router, switch, hub, bridge, repeater, gateway, firewall, network interface card. Each of these has a different role in making sure data reaches where it's supposed to go. Let's talk about each of them in detail. Number 1. Router. A router is a device that forwards data packets between computer networks, allowing multiple devices to share a single internet connection and connect to the internet. It creates a local area network by distributing internet data from a modem to devices like computers, phones, and tablets, and it manages traffic by sending data to its correct destination using IP addresses. An IP address, also known as the Internet Protocol address, is a unique numerical label assigned to devices on a computer network, such as the Internet, that serves two main functions: identification and location addressing. Routers also help manage network traffic so data doesn't collide. Number 2, switch. A switch is a device that connects multiple devices within a local area network to facilitate communication and resource sharing. It uses MAC addresses to intelligently filter and forward data only to the intended recipient, which minimizes network congestion and improves efficiency compared to older devices like hubs. This makes it smarter and faster than a hub. Switches help reduce network traffic and improve performance. A MAC address, also known as a Media Access Control, is a unique identifier assigned to a device's network interface card for use in a local network. Businesses often use switches to connect office computers, printers, and servers. Number 3, hub. A hub is a device that connects multiple devices together into a single network segment. It acts as a multi-port repeater, receiving data signals from one port and broadcasting them to all other connected devices without any intelligence or filtering. It sends any data it receives to all connected devices, not just the one that needs it. This can cause unnecessary traffic and slow down the network. Hubs are cheaper but less efficient than switches. They are mostly used in small or older networks. Number 4, bridge. A bridge is a device that connects two or more local area networks to create a single, larger network. It works by learning the MAC addresses of devices on each segment and intelligently forwarding data frames only to the necessary segment, reducing traffic and congestion. It checks where data needs to go and only sends it to the right part of the network. This helps reduce congestion and unnecessary data movement. Number 5, repeater. A repeater is a device that receives a signal and retransmits it, typically with higher power to extend its range. This is common in telecommunications, such as for radio or Wi-Fi signals. When a signal travels over long distances, it gets weak. A repeater boosts it so it can go further. This is common in Wi-Fi networks to extend coverage, when, for example, a Wi-Fi extender in a large building is a type of repeater, used in both wired and wireless networks to keep connections strong. Number 6, gateway. A gateway is a network device that connects two different networks. This helps the two networks communicate. It translates data from one format to another so both networks can understand. Every time you browse a website, your request passes through a gateway that connects your local network to the internet. Routers can act as gateways when connecting to the internet. Gateways are crucial for connecting different systems, like a school network to the main district network. Number 7. Network Interface Card. A network interface card is a hardware component, also called a network adapter, that allows a device like a computer to connect to a network. It translates data between the computer and the network, enabling data to be sent and received. It is usually built into the computer's motherboard or added separately. It converts data into signals that can travel across the network. Every network interface card has a unique MAC address that identifies your device. Without it, a computer cannot access Wi-Fi or wired connections. Number 8. Firewall. A firewall is a network security device that monitors and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules to create a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external networks like the internet. This security device that protects your network from unauthorized access or harmful data, it monitors incoming and outgoing traffic and blocks anything suspicious. Firewalls can be hardware-based or software-based. They protect devices and networks against hackers, viruses, and malware. Functions of network devices. Network devices connect user devices like computers, phones, and tablet to the network like the internet, allowing them to communicate and share resources. They are essential for devices to communicate and exchange data smoothly with each other like information and files. Devices like firewalls safeguard the network by blocking malicious data, viruses, unauthorized users, and more. They contribute to high performance by optimizing data transfer, managing traffic, and preventing network congestion. Devices like switches and routers organize data traffic so the network runs fast and avoids congestion. They allow networks to scale and accommodate more users and devices without performance loss or slowing them down. Each device plays a small part to help in network connectivity. Importance of network devices. Network devices connect a variety of devices like computers and phones, allowing them to send and receive data and also access the internet. Devices like routers and switches direct data packets to their correct destinations, controlling traffic and preventing congestion. They are crucial for network security, with devices like firewalls and gateways protecting networks from unauthorized access, viruses, harmful software, and external threats. Network devices allow expansion of a network by easily adding more devices like repeaters, gateways, bridges, and users without affecting the performance. By optimizing data flow, these devices improve overall network performance and reliability, making data transfer faster and more stable. Without proper devices, even the best internet connection would be slow or unsafe. Reliable networking improves learning, business, and daily communication. Advantages of network devices. Devices like routers and switches facilitate fast and efficient data transfer. Network devices like firewalls, gateway, and bridge can protect the network by filtering traffic and blocking unauthorized access, keeping your data safe from cyber attacks. Data can be backed up across multiple devices, so if one fails, the information is still accessible on another. Users can access network resources and data from different physical locations, provided they have an internet connection. Users can log in to shared files, applications, or servers from different locations as long as there's an internet connection. Disadvantages of network devices. A virus on one computer can quickly spread to all connected devices, such as a local area network. Setting up a network can be expensive, requiring the purchase of hardware like routers, switches, repeaters, gateways, bridges, firewalls, and cables. A single point of failure, such as a server or key device malfunctioning, can cause the entire network to go down and disrupt productivity. Managing, monitoring, and troubleshooting large or complex networks requires skilled personnel. Large or busy networks require trained technicians to manage, monitor, and repair them. Without proper protection, hackers can access sensitive information through connected devices. These challenges can be controlled through good maintenance, antivirus software, and backup systems. Even though networks can be costly, their benefits make them worth it. Thank you for learning with Tech Hub Academy. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. If you know this video can help someone else, feel free to share it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next lessons, where we'll introduce you to network topologies. Follow us on YouTube and TikTok for more tips and lessons. Follow us on Telegram and WhatsApp for the latest news and updates. Your support will encourage us to create more productive and engaging lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.